Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about CapCut. Now, CapCut is a very simple, very used application, which I believe that is very helpful to people in the editing of videos um, industry or field. But when you're a starter, I believe that it can be a bit overwhelming due to so many things that are pushed in front of you in the very beginning. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking you through as though you were a newbie. So we have background removal. You can tap on background removal and there are a few things. You can auto background removal. You can use that, or customize removal. That's you doing it yourself. Or use chroma key. That means you're going to select a certain type of color on the screen and the AI is going to take that out on its own. Let's look at an example. I tap on Chrome and then I'm going to now use this thing on the screen to select the color I want to take out. So if I select that, all these are going to be taken out. The color I've selected here is green. If I select that on the wall, everything with that color is going to go away. All right, that's how you use this removal too. Now take note that CapCut on PC is different from CapCut on phone. The CapCut on the PC, you can use the auto removal, this one, without being in pro mode. But then on phone, you need a pro mode or a pro feature to be able to use it, or pro subscription to be able to use it. Take note of that. So you can customize also by going round, like taking a brush and then going manually around everything like that to cut out before you remove, which is a lot of work. Okay, so my advice, you do that on the PC, but we'll talk about that in another video. Just stay tuned. All right, so all right, we're just gonna undo what we did, all that we did, and keep our video the way it is. Now remember, we selected two images. Now we can see that in this image there's something obstructing the camera, so we don't want to use this video. What do? We tap on this and delete. Then we have this video. Now as we can see, they are doing some form of exercise. That's a trendy exercise that came out. Push up, touch your shoulder, push up, touch your shoulder. We want to put this video, want to use this video. We see them doing it. Okay, they're gonna do that. All right, now let's talk about the audio, putting the audio from that video into this. Yes, you could go to TikTok or you could go to Instagram or wherever and then take the audio and input. In this example, we're just going to try to put the audio into the video before we post it. So let's tap on audio, and then now we're in the audio side of things. Now there are a few things we can do. We can go to sounds, and in sounds we're going to look at few things, either hot ones that are going on, things that are trending, or if we have the video, if we have the audio in our library, we can select it, or if we have the audio in TikTok, we can select it, or if we have it saved somewhere, we can also select it. All right, so here then you select it from inside your device, or here you link your account to TikTok and you can take the audio from there, or this if you favorited it already on CapCut. But we're using none of those. We're going to use an example that will blow your mind. So you could also check for copyright for your content. You could use sound effects. That's if you want somebody clapping, all those effects, you can take them from here. So let's select search here and select clap. If whilst you're doing the video, you want a clap sound effect, you can select clap here, and then you're going to listen to this. All right, so if you want clap somewhere in your videos, you can use the clap and then insert it this way, and you can see it over there. So if I want to move it, again we discussed, I can move it here. So if I want them to do something before it starts clapping, like that, and it starts clapping, yes, you can. All right. Now, again, after sound effects, we've spoken about text to audio. All right. Then there's extract. This is a feature that many people don't use, but today you will learn how to use it. Okay, so in this case, we're going to be using extract. So extract is when you already have the video, and then you have a video you want to take the audio from. So in this case, this. Push up, touch the shoulder. All right. Push up, touch the shoulder. So I'm going to quickly add that, I've extracted the audio immediately from that video. Okay, now let's look at something here. This is where we put everything we've just learned into use. It starts immediately from push up, touch the shoulder. So let's push up, touch the shoulder. All right, but we can see that they are now coming down to start. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the split. So we're going to look for when they immediately start the push up. So we see we're moving our hand on the screen. Okay, so they're just about to start the push up. So immediately here, I'm going to tap on the video and then I'm going to use splits. Then I'm tapping here and deleting only on the side of the video. That means the audio still stays the same because we're dealing with the video. We tap on play. Push up, touch the shoulder, push up, touch the shoulder, push up, touch the knee, push up, touch the knee, push up. Okay, what do we see here? We see that the audio is going fast, but then the video is slower. So what do we have to do? We have to speed it up. So we can tap on the video and then go to speed and we can speed it up. So let's speed it up to about 1.5 and then apply it. Okay, now let's see whether it works. Push up, touch the shoulder, push up, touch the shoulder, push up, touch the knee, push up, touch the knee, push up, touch the foot, push up, touch the foot, push up, swing, toe touch, push up, swing, toe touch, push up, Mike Tyson, push up, crawl up, squat, that's 1 rep. All right, so we see it worked there. Okay, so now we can select here. We know that we don't need the TikTok sound that came at the end. Okay, so that's 1 rep. Okay, so that's what we need. Now we select the audio, and also in audio we can get split, so we hit on split, and on this side we can delete it. Now also then on this side we can put it right there and then hit split. This side we don't need, we delete. Let's look at the entire video. There push up, touch the shoulder, push up, touch the shoulder, push up, touch the knee, push up, touch the knee, push up, touch the foot, push up, touch the foot, push up, swing, toe touch, push up, swing, toe touch, push up, Mike Tyson, push up, crawl up, squat, that's 1 rep. All right, so that there is how the video is done. Now let's look at a final part of things. Now you see people's video end with CapCut there. You can remove it. There are 2 ways to remove it. The first way I'll show you now, you can just tap on this. Here you can see ending written there. You can tap on that part as is a whole line of video, except that is in black, so it's kind of hidden. When you tap on that, you can tap on delete and it's no more there. The ending does not exist. So from here, squat, that's 1 rep. Okay, so here we have a video that we've just done and we believe everything in it is correct. We like the way it is. What we're going to do, we're going to extract it. So to extract it or export it or save it, we're going to come here to export. But here we can see this has been set to 1080p and that's what we want. So we tap on export and immediately it's going to start exporting. So you can see exporting without watermark. Yeah. And you're done there. You can hit on done up there, or you can tap on this to take it to Instagram, to your Instagram story, to your YouTube channel, to WhatsApp, sharing to somebody, or to Facebook if you want to share it there. Or tap on this to share it to TikTok and so many. But for now, it's been saved into our gallery. So what we're going to do is we're going to slide out because we're done. Okay, so if we come back here, we can just go back and then X out of here. Okay, now I told you that there are 2 ways of getting rid of the ending part. If you don't want the ending to show in your video again, you can come here and tap on this thing you see here, like a bolt. Tap on that, and then as you look through, you can see here there is add default ending. You can toggle that off, and it's asking you discard ending, keep or discard. So in this case, we want to discard the ending, so we tap on that and it's gone. Now if we finish our video, we're not going to get that. Now like we explained before, now in projects you do have projects showing because you have done a video. All right guys, I hope that today's video actually helped you a lot. iPhone users, I hope this can also help you. Android users, I'm very sure this helped you. So guys, thank you for watching till now. If there's anything you think I didn't make mention of or anything you want me to talk about in a next video, I'm intending to do more CapCut videos. If there's something specifically you want me to do, tell me and then I'll do it. Next, be expecting others like mask. So in this video, I'm not trying to put too many effects. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.